Spanish 1, global challenges, vocabulary words 16 through 20. I'm going to say each of these words in English, then Spanish, and clap, and I'd like you guys to repeat with me, okay? 16, ocean, océano. Ocean, océano. 17, the paper, el papel. The paper, el papel. 18, plastic, plástico. Plastic, plástico. 19, plant, planta. Plant, planta. You're not going to miss plant or ocean. Sorry. And 20, to recycle, reciclar. To recycle, reciclar. I'll be honest, this is probably one of the easiest clips, one of the easiest vocabulary lists we've learned all year, probably one of the easiest ones you'll ever see in Spanish 1, 2, or 3. Remember, green letters mean the letters are exactly the same in both Spanish and English. This list is almost identical. Words that are real similar like this are called cognates. Words like océano, ocean, plástico, plastic, it means they're very, very easy. They sound very similar in both languages. All right, let's go through this. Ocean is just océano. Notice, we normally stress the next to last vowel, but we're not saying océano, we're saying océano. That accent mark says, hey, don't stress the next last vowel, don't stress the vowel you expect to stress, stress me, so it's océano. Paper is papel. And if you're very bright, you're thinking, hold it, Mr. Holt. When you say papel, you're not stressing the next to last vowel. You're not stressing the A, you're stressing the E. What's up with that? Everybody say lizard. Lizard. If a Spanish word ends in L, Z, R, or D, think of the word lizard, it means you stress the very last vowel. Okay? If it's a lizard word, if it ends in L, Z, R, D, you stress the very last vowel. If it ends in anything else, you stress the next to last vowel. If you're confused by that, just type in lizard and I've got a nice clip to explain it. Now, plastic is plástico. And again, we're not stressing the next to last vowel, so there's an accent mark, big arrow that says, hey, don't stress the vowel you expect to stress, stress me instead. Plástico. Plant is planta, no worries there, you're not going to miss that. This is yet another example in Spanish of they don't like the letter Y. Okay? Frequently in, in Spanish, if the English word has a Y in it, the Y turns into I in Spanish. Mary turns into Maria. Day with a Y turns into dia. And this is another one. Recycle turns into reciclar. And again, notice reciclar ends with an R, which is a lizard word. If a word ends in an L, Z, R, or D, the very last vowel is stressed. So we pronounce this word reciclar. All right, give yourself a post-quiz, post-eval, post-test. I'm going to cover up the Spanish. Look at these words and give the Spanish equivalent out loud and say the Spanish equivalent out loud, or even better, look at the English and write down the Spanish words on a sheet of paper to make sure you've mastered these. Okay? This has been Spanish 1, Global Challenges, Vocabulary Words 16 through 20.